If Grammarly is giving you error messages and you're not sure what they mean, this video will help you fix the most common ones fast. We're going to cover the messages that usually show up, what causes them, and the exact steps you can take to get Grammarly working again. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, if you see a message that says something like, "Something went wrong" or "can't connect to Grammarly," that usually means Grammarly is being blocked from reaching its cloud servers. In many cases, the problem is caused by a firewall, a proxy, a VPN, or even a network-level ad blocker. So the first thing to do is temporarily turn off any active VPN or proxy software on your device. If you use security software that filters internet traffic, pause that as well for a moment and then try Grammarly again. If the error still appears after that, the next step is to clear the app cache. A corrupted cache can sometimes cause connection problems or stop the app from loading properly. If you're using the desktop app, close Grammarly completely, then reopen it and see if the error is gone. If you're using Grammarly in a browser, clear the cache for that browser and refresh the page, then sign back in and test the app again. Now let's talk about the message that says Grammarly is temporarily unavailable. This one usually looks more serious than it really is. In many cases, it can be fixed by simply signing out and signing back in. To do that, click the Grammarly taskbar icon if you're on Windows or the menu bar icon if you're on Mac. Then open Settings, choose Sign Out, close the app, reopen it, and sign back in with your account. This refreshes your session and can clear up temporary login or service issues. If the app still doesn't work after signing back in, give it a minute and try again later. Sometimes the issue is on Grammarly's side and not on your device. A temporary outage or server-side slowdown can trigger this message, so waiting a few minutes and retrying can often solve it without any deeper troubleshooting. Next, if you see "you're out of prompts" or "can't help with this text," this is important to understand because these errors are specific to Grammarly's integrated generative AI assistant, not the standard grammar checker. That means your basic spelling and grammar tools may still work normally, but the AI features have reached their limit. If you're on the free plan, Grammarly gives you only a limited number of AI prompts each month. Once you use them up, you'll need to wait until your monthly cycle resets or upgrade to a paid subscription if you want more access. So if you're trying to use Grammarly's AI rewriting or prompting tools and keep hitting this message, it's not necessarily a bug. It may simply mean you've reached your prompt limit. A quick tip here, if the grammar checker works but the AI assistant doesn't, that usually confirms it's a prompt limit issue rather than a general account problem. In that case, you can either wait for the reset or continue using Grammarly's standard editing tools until your prompts refresh. To make troubleshooting easier, always start with the connection-based errors first. Check your VPN, proxy, and firewall settings. Then move to cache and sign-in fixes. After that, if the problem is related to AI prompts, check whether you've hit your plan limit. That order will save you time and help you avoid randomly changing settings that don't need to be changed. And if you want to keep learning simple fixes for common software problems, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps and it makes sure you don't miss the next tutorial. If this solved your Grammarly issue, let me know in the comments which error message you were seeing. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.